we're here because we need to attract more young people to the industry. Simple as that. And this isn't an NRCA event. This is an industry event. We have manufacturers, distributors, contractors from all over the country here. And it's because getting these young people to learn about roofing, to know about roofing, to try it in their classes back home really matters.
I always grew up around my dad being hands-on. He was a painter for 18 years. So I had wanted to be like my dad, wanting to be in the trades and everything. And I knew that I always wanted to work with my hands because that's what I've always wanted to do. And then I pretty much got into it because I was good at math. I thought that I would be good in construction because I know it's really math heavy. So I didn't really expect anything out of going to Golden Strip. But then I went and I got a lot of opportunities, and it's a great time to be here. My instructor, Mr. Rackelboom, I wanted to do carpentry because I was framing a lot when I first started and everything. But then he wanted me to challenge myself and go up against the #1 national champion in commercial roofing, Brandon. And I went up against him and got second right behind him in states last year. So now I'm here this year, hopefully trying to take first this year.
I think it's a great pathway for all kids. I mean, we teach construction at our school. We build a 3-bedroom house, and then we build sheds for customers. So every day it's hands-on training, using all the power tools, just doing everything in construction from framing to drywall, electrical, plumbing, and then we got Noah into the commercial roofing, so he's got to train his relief now. So.
Well, this is our 4th year working with SkillsUSA in the commercial roofing competition. This year we've got 22 competitors from 19 different states. 5 students coming back from last year, making another run for the podium. And we got a great competition this year like we did last year. So we got pretty phenomenal, good experience with these kids.
My school has a construction program. So I joined it my sophomore year, and from then I've been doing like small competitions. And then this past year I started doing the roofing. So I did state, I got first place there, and now I'm here for nationals. I kind of like being hands-on. I like building, I like doing things with my hands and moving around and just building really. I really enjoy the process.
This is our 3rd year that we are so proud and honored to be sponsoring. We've been here just leading the charge from a distribution perspective, and so excited that there are over 7,000 students here. So the fact that they start regionally, have their competitions, and then they all make it here, it's got to be exciting for them. And it's got to be exciting the fact that we are now in the roofing industry sponsoring a competition, which we were not here for a long time. So that's exciting in itself.
I didn't do commercial roofing. I was never in commercial. I do ground up, and I go dual enrollment. I'm in high school. So I was in my dual enrollment class, and one of the advisors came with a little mock-up, and he told us to try it, and I tried it. And he said, I produce winners. Come train. I'll make sure you win. So I trusted the process. I sweated tears into this, and I'm here now. There's no competition. Everybody's not into roofing. There's a little bit of people, everybody's old, they're retiring. So it's new game, it's fresh, not a lot of competition. You can go very far with roofing.
So this is our 2nd complete year of involvement. We were approached several years ago. I was actually really surprised to learn that there was not a commercial roofing track within the SkillsUSA program. This is a good way for us to try to contribute and give back something to the industry that's been so good to us.
We're here to support the entire initiative for the younger generation to encourage them to get into the trades, roofing specifically, but the trades in general. I've been in the roofing industry for about 14 years. And in those 14 years, I've seen a lot of technical advancements and realized just what a great community it is, what a great industry it is. And honestly, there's a lot of money to be made in roofing. And it's something that you can do with your hands and get the satisfaction of looking back at something that you helped create, something that you helped build.